Simplify. Root 5 raised to the power of 3. Solution. Now, we have root 5 raised to the power of 3. Now we can write root 5 raised to the power of 3 as what? Root 5 times root 5 times root 5. 1, 2, 3. So in this case, from here you must note that when you have root a times root a, it must give you a. Note, root a times root a. That will give us what normally? This will give us root a times a. And this will give us root a square. A times a is a square. So these two will go with the square root, then we have a. So anytime you are multiplying same surd, the same number inside the square root, then the answer is the number. So root a times root a will give us a. Take note. Now from here, root 5 times root 5 will give us what? That is 5. There we have 5 times root 5. So this will give us what? 5 times root 5 will give us what? 5 root 5. That is the solution to the answer. Thank you.